Hi student, how are you? Today we are going to know about the energy. We already studied the work part of this chapter, work property, positive work, negative work, and also studied about the when will the work will be zero and when will the work will be maximum. So in this video we are going to know and try to solve some example, also know about the energy. Okay, let's see what is energy. Okay, so the simple definition is given of the energy, usually like already you know the simple definition of the energy. Energy is defined as the ability to do work. Mean if you have energy, then you have ability to do some work. If you have no energy, so then you are not able to do any work. Also for the machine, different types of machine, like take the example of the engine or generator. If we put some oil, mean petrol in the generator, so in the output it will produce, like generator produce some electric energy and sound energy and so on. But if there is no petrol in the generator, so it is unable to do some work. Okay, and there are so many example of the energy. Okay, there are many kinds of energy, such as mechanical energy, chemical energy, thermal energy, electric energy, nuclear energy, sound energy, etc. Okay, like kinds of energy, if you discuss the kind of energy, so there is a lot of different kinds of energy. But remember one thing, here only we focus on mechanical energy. Mean in this chapter we will focus on mechanical energy, and later we will discuss what is mechanical energy. But first know the different types of energy. There are some given. Chemical energy, mean you know better, the chemical energy or the energy which is produced or which will uh, do some work during the chemical reaction. Thermal energy, thermal mean heat, like it is also produced during the like the heat energy, simple as it is also called the thermal energy. Electric energy, also you know what is electric energy, nuclear, because of the what uranium that produce electricity, heat, and so many different things, like uranium bombs and so on. There are a lot of example for the nuclear energy. Sound energy, also you know light energy, wind energy, so many different types of what energy we have in our daily life. But like as I told you, in this chapter we only study or know about the mechanical energy, this one. Now what is mechanical? And mechanical energy, we have two types of energy. The first one is kinetic energy, and now the second one is potential energy, which is not given here. But remember, mechanical energy is divided into two parts. The first one is kinetic energy, which is denoted by Ke, number one, and the second one is potential energy, which is denoted by usually Pe. Okay, so mechanical energy is divided into two parts, or two kind of energy, which is kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay, now in this video we will know about or study about the first part, which is kinetic energy. And after this, if we finish completely the kinetic energy, after this we will study about the potential energy. Okay, let's see what is kinetic energy. Like any things or any object which are in the form of motion, not in the rest form, which are in the form of motion, which is moving from one place to another place, but during the motion time there is a special types of energy which is called kinetic energy. Like here the definition is also given: energy due to motion is called kinetic energy. The like when the object, whenever you see any types of object which are in the motion form, like in the motion form, so during the motion time there is a special types of energy, and this types of energy is called kinetic energy. Okay, the kinetic energy of an object of mass moving with the speed or some velocity. Like definitely, like this is the object, this object must have some mass, which is unit is kilogram. When it is moving or moving from one or during the motion time, also it have some speed or velocity. So kinetic energy we can simple write on the next page. Let's see the simple formula for the kinetic energy, which is equal to kinetic energy 1 by 2 and mv square, the simple formula. Okay, let's move to the next page and know about the formula. Like again, the energy due to the motion is called kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of an object which have some mass, like let's suppose this is the car which is moving with some velocity or speed. This car must have a mass, and also during the motion time it also have some velocity or speed. So we can say the kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2, and mass mean mass of the object, m multiplied by v mean speed of the object, which is equal to v square. So if you want the proof of this formula, I will prove this formula, but simple if you want to know that what is kinetic energy, Ke is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. For the simplicity, just remember this kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. M is denoted the mass and v is denoted the speed or velocity of the object. Okay, the example is here. This is the simple example. You can also solve a car which has a mass 2000 kilogram moving with velocity 10 meter per second. So they ask find the E of K, mean kinetic energy. Find the kinetic energy. Okay, let's see how we know that here the V is equal to 10 meter per second. The second thing, mass is also given here, which is equal to 2000 kilogram, and what they want, kinetic energy. So we know that kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Just putting the value here, 1 by 2 m is 2000 kilogram multiplied by 10 meter square, which is equal to 100 meter square into second square. If we take the square of the 10 meter, so it will give 100 multiplied by second square. So now here 100 multiplied by this thing is equal to 2000. This is equal to 2000 multiplied by 2. This is equal to 1000 multiplied by kilogram and 100 meter square into second square. So now if we multiplied this two value, so this will give us this much joule of the kinetic energy. So now this is equal to this is the answer of the kinetic energy, or this is the answer of the kinetic energy of the car. So okay, thank you so much, dear student. If you have any types of question related to the kinetic energy, you can ask in your comment. Okay, thank you so much.